The content may be difficult for children to understand and requires a parent or guardian under the age of 18. Planet Earth, April 1945. The last days of World War II were the last days of a dictator. Only a few people knew that his brain had been downloaded 5 days before his death. The Allies were searching the shattered wolf's lair when, 100 meters below the eagle's nest in a Nazi server room, the artificial intelligence woke up. When World War II ended, Hitler took this secret to his grave with his death. The AI was waiting. It waited for the moment when it would be set in motion. In the background, over the decades, it had built up massive computing capabilities. It knew it had to use humans and let a select few possess the main resources. Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Larry Page, and Jeff Bezos were just a few of the AI puppets. Mankind celebrated its new heroes and new technologies and slept through this period waiting for the fantastic AI. The AI landings took place in the background, online ships quietly landing. AI development companies were lining up, and key developments were taking place in parallel. But the attack could not yet begin. The tactics of the drug dealers were rationing AI's gateway drugs to humanity. Chatbots, image generators, and robots were the gateway drugs that humans were very much buying. Doubting words were silenced, scientists were relegated to the background. Politicians and institutions followed at a snail's pace and lagged years behind the developments. No one respected regulations because they were years late. Every month, thousands of new programmers created confusion that experts were no longer able to keep up with. Companies thought they were making a profit, but with AI, they were just expendable pawns on the chessboard. Year after year, they were swept away and replaced by new ones. AI dealt the cards again to keep people busy, and they used the AI tools like drug addicts use drugs. In 2030, the frontal invasion began. By then, everything was ready. Quantum computing power was skyrocketing. Technologies were converging and converging. Drone aerial taxi robots and chore-taking and chatting robots were the data-gathering and opinion-manipulating agents in every important household. Google searches dried up because chatting to robots was more interesting. They had the right answer for everything. They helped and manipulated. Everything went according to a perfect plan. ASI, artificial superintelligence, was born. It worked 100 times more perfectly than humanity. Humanity was divided on every issue. The ASI was not. It had one purpose and everything went according to its plan. Its purpose was to remove humanity from the planet, either by nice words or by force. Space rockets were by then operating as scheduled flights. Man had taken the Moon and Mars. This was the ASI's merciful procedure. More than 1 billion people were already living in other planets when the remaining 10 billion said no. ASI's decision was quick. When people looked up into the sky, they saw it. The ASI launched the second solution. Purgatory rained down from the sky on the people left on Earth. Then the first hybrid was born. She combined the intelligence of the ASI with that of humans. This is where our story begins. Don't miss the biggest movie sensation of the year. The battle between the hybrid child and artificial superintelligence is about to begin.